I used to really enjoy this fish egg or caviar before becoming a vegan, so when I found the vegan version at Coop, I was so happy because I got to recreate this dish that I used to love when I was a teenager. So this dish is called albap, which literally translates into egg rice. You would normally use a ceramic pot for this dish, but since I didn't have one, I was just using a normal pot. And now I'm trying to cover the inner surface of the pot with rice so that we can have some burned rice. It's so good. It's actually super simple to put this dish together. You just need to chop up some things and then just heat up the pot to burn the rice. And of course, you shouldn't miss kimchi here. So now let's put on some heat and burn that rice. We want rice to be like golden brown and very crunchy. We want to add some sprouts in the dish. We would usually use like reddish sprouts, but I couldn't find it, so I just used some green sprouts.